what is going on. It's like she still just not understand. So she scroll and she look on these things and she see people say, then him in her mouth. What the one next one say? He wanna buy donuts. All type of foolishness. Not got pure story. Pure lies. In my back of your life, one bag of something. And she never like it. It go as far as when me tell you say, this have Yanique away here. When me tell you say it have Yanique away, I sit down and if you realize when me add people on my live, me sit down and me make them talk. I'm a perfect listener. I don't interrupt you. I sit down. And me see Yanique and me take her in and me tell her say, anything at all what have to do with World Dog, in your say to go for Yanique. She nah nothing what they go on with her man. What people say about her man, where if nobody have no clue, no insight as to what they go on, all of them something that she even goes, she'll go up on YouTube, everything have to do with the incident, with everything, she'll look for everything.